Hello everyone, welcome to my AI tutorial channel, AI with Mask Man. In today's video I am going to show you how to convert any video in anime style video using an amazing AI video generator tool.
Wow!
To know this, stay tuned with me until the last. Let's get started. First of all, open the Unboring AI tool. Then sign in with your Gmail or Facebook account. After signing, you will receive 5 free tokens to try this AI tool. Alright, now here we have to upload our video which we want to convert. It may take a couple of minutes. So here I'm going to convert this girl dancing video into anime style. Now we have to select the part which we want to convert. Okay, now let's select the style. There are so many options are there. Choose which you like most. And then restyle this. So it's ready, let's see how it looks. So this is how you can convert any video in different styles. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share your thoughts regarding this in the comment box. See you in the next video.